Hi guys.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
Awkward.
I was like picking my hair.
I was trying to start this, but
oh my god, I look so bad. Like I cannot, and my nails aren't done, and I literally like.
I'm sweating under this sweater. All right, let's do this. We got this. All right. Cool. What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my bestie Allison. For today's video, because she's never been to my house, I just
first time
wanted to film a video. She used to be a former YouTuber vlogger.
Yep.
And she gave up.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I gave up, but gave it up just to follow her career. She's a writer, so look forward to her book.
Yep, you'll see it.
Anyways, so she's a very simple, natural girl. She doesn't do glam at all like the way that I do it. So for today's video, I thought that it would be fun to glam her up my style.
I'm so excited.
So yes, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer to her face. Cramping. Okay. So I'm probably gonna be out of frame, but that's okay. I'm not the focus of this video. She is, so we're just gonna.
You guys have to be on the lookout soon for a makeup collection, cause it's literally Sephora in here. Sephora / Ulta. Like it is like I spent like my first like hour here just like looking at everything, and I'm just
so
like,
for the first step, we're just gonna moisturize because she has like really dry skin, so I don't want to like have any patchiness. I can leave them on.
Doesn't bother you?
No.
It bothers me to have these on when I do like mascara. I know I'm weird.
That's weird. Anyways, so I'm gonna use the Josie Maran whipped argan oil face butter. She gave me this for Christmas and I tried it out and I loved it. It's really moisturizing. So. Why does my head look so big next to yours?
Because I'm like the smallest thing on earth.
How tall are you again?
Like 5 foot exact. Maybe 5'1" now.
Oh my, you're not that short.
I am like 5'1".
I do not
maybe
have like 8. Oh my god.
I know.
Wow. I'm 5'8", so you could just imagine like this is her and then this is me.
All my friends are taller than me by like 9 inches. Like Defina's 5'9". Yeah.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and do her eyebrows. She has really nice kind of like fluffy brows. Well, they might not look super fluffy, but they're like fluffy thin, like they're cute. So I'm just gonna take the Anastasia and the lightest shade. This is chocolate, but I'm gonna take the lighter shade on this. So her eyebrows are all done now. I'm so tall, I have to literally like...
Yeah.
Sit.
Look at that. She's gonna stand and do my makeup now.
Yeah, I'm more comfortable when I'm standing because it's how I do my clients. I can't sit. So yeah, I finished her eyebrows right now. They look kind of crazy because, well, it always does right before everything falls into place.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start doing her eyeballs. So since she got this palette for Christmas too, I'm gonna use this palette so that if I do a look and she likes it and she wants to recreate it, she can. She wanted me to do some color on her, so I might go with the, what the fuck? The teal that's right here. But I have to think about what to do in my head. So I'm just gonna start. She's the queen of
color. I'm the queen of gold. Like I love a gold, like natural glowy look. But she does colors the best, so I was like, you need to add in a little pop of something.
So that blue is perfect. So I'm just gonna start off with the transition colors and shit like that. Since she has pretty deep set eyes, close your eyes. So when she opens her eyes, she doesn't really have a lot of lid space. So that's why I don't want to do anything really too crazy, so she can learn how to do it on her own if she rewatches this video.
I will.
She could still do a cut crease, she could still do a halo eye. You can achieve those kind of looks on a deep set eye, but I just want to keep it simple. I don't want to really do that much work right now, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here as her transition color. I'm probably just gonna wash this all over her crease and maybe her lid, but for now that's the shade that I'm gonna use.
Look so good. Like, I do it and
it's easy.
You don't want it.
I'm like, it's easy.
I look at it and I'm just like, that's like flawless. Like, and
I was like, that was easy.
That's crazy.
So I'm probably gonna take a deeper shade now. I gotta stop saying probably because I am gonna take a deeper shade. So we used this shade. Oh my god, I thought I was digging it in the pan. So last time we took this shade right here. So I'm just gonna take this deeper. So what I like to do to make sure I have like a flawless blend, when I was going in with the darker shade with a smaller brush, I would place it, blend it out a little bit, and then I would go in with the fluffier brush that I use and just take a little bit of that lighter shade again and just blend a lot more. So everything can kind of blend seamlessly together. So now I think we're gonna go in with...
hold on, say it again, I was out of frame.
So I think I'm gonna go in with the color now. I just have to figure out what brush to use because you gotta be very careful, especially with like smaller lids. If you can see it with her when her eyes open, it can transfer really easily up into her crease. So that color is gonna have to be applied kind of all the way through in a nice kind of like V shape in here. And what? I can't talk. In her outer corner. So now with a way tinier brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take this dark teal shade right here and apply it in her outer corner. But it's funner because it has, is that even a word? Funner?
No.
It's much more fun.
I said that to an English teacher. 2 of them, and they were like...
Was it in college?
No, it was in high school. Yeah.
I'd
have been kicked out of college.
And I was like, and you're a writer?
I know. More fun.
It's much more fun. I forgot what I was saying, so forget that. Like,
I can't even remember either. I was like, that's not green.
So I'm gonna take, ooh, is that in focus? I don't know. So I'm gonna take this duochrome shade. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm just gonna move the camera around a little bit. The camera, the palette. So this duochrome shade right here, I'm gonna put it all over her lid and kind of blend it into that teal liner that I created for her. Let me just take some concealer now. Open. Close. Yeah. Like one way to tell if the color is going to transfer is just to place a little bit of concealer in the center of the eyelid, have her open, and then when she closes, wherever it transferred to, that is where you're going to cut your crease to make sure that it stays clean the whole entire time. And whatever glitter or eyeshadow you use, it's not going to transfer when you look up. Now I'm just gonna go in with the teal again, kind of smoke out the blue, and just finish up this eye. These are just Ardell Wispies. I use these a lot on my clients too because a lot of clients, like, they're not used to wearing thick lashes, and I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. Open. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye now. That looks fun. What's up, guys? So I finished her other eye. Now it's all complete and it looks so good. You can close your eyes. Look at this. You guys will have a close-up later, but yeah, it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna do the rest of her face now. I'm gonna take this Kiehl's, what is it called? Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. It looks like this, but my camera's not gonna zoom in. Let me just tap it. There we go. This is what I use when I'm feeling kind of, you know, dry.
Look at her fire ass nails.
Dry and crusty, this is what I use. I said when I'm feeling dry and crusty, this is what I use. Not even in focus. There we go. So for her foundation, she brought me her Lancome Teint Ultra Wear. I can't pronounce that because it's in French. So
I can pronounce it either.
She's in the shade White as Hell. Just kidding. 215 Buff N. Oh, that's what that stands for. He gave you neutral instead of warm, but it's okay. He looked at your face, and because your face looks pretty neutral, but the rest of your body tans like a golden olive tone. So yum. Now that I applied her foundation after struggling with it because I'm so picky, she started to crumble a little bit. So foundation kind of like reacted a little bit with the moisturizer. Did I just say a little bit like 10 times? Maybe, I don't know.
Sounded fine to me.
So I'm gonna take the NYX HD concealer in the shade 00 and put that under her eyes.
I'm sorry, I was just thinking about when you said in the shade White as Hell. I was so... Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm wearing like $50 worth of the product on myself now. You need to get like those like art pants, like how people have like clothes.
I used to take ceramic when I was in college.
Get those clothes back.
And I used to just wear black tights and a black crappy shirt every time I went because I guess it used to get so dusty, it's ridiculous. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. Let's see. I think I want to use the milk one all over your face because this one's a darker shade, so I didn't want to put this under her under eye and then it like darkens it and then all my work is ruined. But since I want to take away a little bit of that pastiness that she has going on, you know, I'm just gonna set with a darker. This is in the shade medium, and I don't think I told you guys, but this is just the Milk Blur Blue Setting Powder. I did?
You did, yeah.
Everything.
Such a nice brush. It feels so good.
You need to go on like...
Morphe?
Yeah.
You need to just visit me to go to the Morphe store.
She has a whole Morphe store in her mall because she lives in Arizona, and I was so sad.
Yeah. It's not the same without you. Like, I go in there, I'm like, it doesn't feel the same. Like...
Your skin looks good though.
Oh, my don't. I don't want to ever take this makeup off.
You see, when you become a famous published author, you just have me do your makeup all the time.
Yeah.
Be your personal.
No, seriously, I would.
I'm gonna take the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Well, that wasn't in frame. This is like the perfect cool tone bronzer. Well, I like
Hoola Light.
Huh? Yeah, the Hoola Light. This is a regular one, but this is like the perfect contour shade.
I should have done this like in the morning.
Go out. Let's go out.
I know.
So I'm gonna take the, I always forget it and I use it so much, it's my favorite. The L'Oreal's Paradise Enchanted Blush in the shade Charmed. This is my favorite, so I'm gonna use it on her because it's probably gonna look fantastic. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. And I already bronzed and added some blush. So I'm gonna finish our lower lash line and then I'm gonna highlight them.
They need to see you.
No, I don't. That's like the final reveal.
I feel like I'm like by myself the whole time. And this is gonna be like, watch, it's gonna be like an 8-minute video, yet it's been 2 hours.
What? What the fuck?
You told me to keep
Your lips disappeared. So I'm gonna drench her in this
Givenchy.
Thank you. Highlighter in the shade Shimmery Gold. I think this was limited edition. For the final step now, we're finally fucking done. You're cleaning this mess afterwards. She's like, I gotta go party. So I'm gonna spray her face with the Morphe. I am so out of frame. Okay, there we go. So this is going to help with all the powders. You are drenched. And then I like to press it in. Look up.
I haven't even looked at it fully.
I know you haven't.
I'm about to take like 10,000.
Alright, let me scoot in so I can be part of the video now. We look like yin and yang because
we do. Oh my god, yeah. What?
No, that was because I'm like,
oh, I just like, I can't. Maybe I'll keep my hair down.
You can do that.
I'm sorry, I'm just like
she's the natural one at this.
Yeah.
So anyways, this is the final look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see it. I'm like staring at myself too because I haven't looked at myself all day.
I have not looked at here at all. I've not actually looked at the camera at all because I'm just like,
you see, it's hard.
Yeah,
I told
it's
you.
so hard. It's because
can I talk? No, I'm just kidding. She came for me one time because she was like, oh, in your video you're staring at yourself the whole time, and I was like, first of all, when you're doing your makeup,
yeah, you have to.
It's hard because I need to make sure that my eye is in frame. I have to make sure you guys can see what the fuck I'm doing.
Yeah, I take it all back. It's only because I know like she's a perfectionist, so. But she does everything perfect. You need to move to Cali so I can be close.
I'm gonna move to Cali once I start getting this AdSense money, you know?
Yes, come on.
Alright, anyways.
Bye guys.
That was so
weak.
Valley girl. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time in my next video.
Why are we doing that?
But it's fine.
Bye. You're just not as cute.